Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my CUSHIONAIRE women's UGG lookalikes. I've had these for like 3 months and I was kind of wanting to splurge on some UGG minis because they're like super trendy right now, but I was not about to spend $100 and something-ish for a pair of booties like this. So I saw these on Amazon and I was like, I'm gonna give them a try. They have like memory foam, so they're super comfortable. And I am not lying to you guys. I wear these every single day. I also have them in black, and these are like my everyday shoe. Like, ask everyone that I know, like, they love these so much because they've seen me wearing them, and I'm like, they're from Amazon. They're not $100 and something. They're definitely worth every penny. Like, they're super comfortable. They look cute with anything that you wear, and yeah, why spend $150 something for some Uggs when you can get these for like almost half the price, and they're super comfortable. So if you wanted to join that Ugg trend but not wanting to splurge that much money, definitely check these out. I rave about this product every single day with all my friends, and I'm like, you should guys get them because they're super comfortable and they look super cute with any outfit. So yeah, get your pair of Uggs for half the price.